Dobro jutro. Welcome back to Zadar, Croatia. We're now making our way to the Zadar market and we're going to have a look around and see what we can see. So join us. We've got some beautiful flowers here. Really nice, aren't they? See what they got to offer then.
Look at the size of those tomatoes.
Oh, they look lovely, don't they? Dobro jutro. Kako ste vi?
Dobro, vi?
Dobro.
Ajde, neka bude I bolje. Ili treba što? Ili treba što? Jagodice?
Oh, no, strawberries, yeah.
I like that
Cabbage looks great, doesn't it? Size of these tomatoes, huge.
Yeah, I would say.
Lots of fresh fruit. Dobar dan. Them watermelons, huge, isn't they?
What's this?
Fig. Fig.
I haven't seen them like that before. They look like walnuts a little bit.
They do a little
Look
bit.
at the size of that ginger.
It's huge, isn't it?
I mean, I know there are some back home, but I wish we had more like this.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Really nice seeing all the local fresh produce. Meadow honey. Dobar dan. Nice. It's like your classic local market, isn't it? Where all the vendors sell to all the old people and all the locals. They are really nice, aren't they? I think that's the type of lily. Yeah, it looks like it. Dobar dan.
What is this type of cabbage called?
What's that?
There's a different name to it. What is it?
I'm not too sure. It looks good though, doesn't it?
Because that's the one that you get, like you boil and have one in your roast, don't you?
Yeah.
I like that.
They've got clothes over here as well, yeah.
Oh, it's quite big.
Very classic summer stuff.
Have we seen those hats before?
Pardon?
Have you seen like those hats before? I know, yeah. So you got these two little bits on the
And you
side.
pull them and
you squeeze them.
the ears come up. Yeah, yeah, I've seen them, yeah. That's cool. Got some dodgy crocs. Got some seashells, starfish.
Look at these are straight from the
Yeah,
to Europe, it must be.
Yeah, they will be, yeah.
I really fancy some cabbage
Some cabbage. What, are you just going to eat it on its own?
with a roast.
With a roast.
That was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was nice.
It'd be nice if we were like staying here for a bit and then we could have bought our own fresh fruit.
I'm not going to lie, I do want to get a big watermelon. Dobar dan. Friendly locals here. And we're now making our way to Kolovare Beach, which is the main beach in the city centre here in Zadar. There's mixed reviews, but we're going to go down and see what it's like. The sun's stayed out for 5 minutes, so we're going to go down and have a look. Right guys, we've made it to Kolovare Beach. Yeah, if you can hear me, it's alright, it's not the best beach I've ever seen, but it's nice and clear water considering we're in a city. Let's see how cool the water is. That's cold. Yeah, it's cold, yeah. You've got Zadar town centre just over there. We are now sat at Cuba Libre Beach Bar on Kolovare Beach. And it's actually the first day of the season, we found out from the waiter. It's literally the first day it's open today. So they didn't have coffee or anything like that. But I've decided to go for a beer anyway. So it makes no odds to me. And I've gone for a classic Carlavaca. Kit's gone for an apple juice. And as you can see, we've got a lovely view onto Ugljan Island and Pazman just over there to the left, where you can see where the sailboat is. So we've got a beautiful view, haven't we, Kit?
Yeah.
Really nice view. Nice little spot to sit. It's a pebble beach, but the water's nice and clear, as I said. Yeah, we're going to enjoy these drinks, and we're going to decide where we're going for lunch. So, Jibeli, Kit?
Jibeli.
Dobar dan, guys, welcome back. We're just sat at this restaurant here called Kantuna, and it's a lovely little restaurant on a side street here. Right in Zadar Old Town. They're actually turning people away now, it's getting quite busy, so We're only to start of May, so I'd hate to see what this place is like in high season. We've ordered a pizza, a Slavonian pizza, which is a pizza with local specialties on the sausage, the mushrooms, and the peppers, yeah. And we've also ordered a beef and truffle pasta, which we're both really excited for, aren't we, Kit?
We're gonna basically split the two because we both want pizza and pasta, so we're just gonna split the two and share both.
Bella Puna. Right, now we've been in Zadar for a few days. What do you think, Kit?
Yes, I like it. The food, like the food we had last night, was some of the best food we've had. It's a nice chilled out little place, to be honest with you. You can definitely do it all in a couple of days. I don't think you need very long here, but at the same time, it's like loads of trips that you can do, like day trips and stuff.
Completely agree with Kit. Zadar, you can see it in a couple of days, definitely, but then it's more the places around Zadar that are really beautiful that you can go and see. But Zadar itself is very beautiful, but it's quite small, the old town especially. You can do the old town definitely in a day, and then explore the areas around the old town, because it is a beautiful city. I really like it here. The food, as Kit said, the food we had last night was out of this world. The grilled meat, really nice. Typical Yugoslav grilled meat, really good. I've gone for a classic Kolovare. So we'll show you guys when the food comes out. Jivili.
Delicious.
Nice refreshing beer. We haven't had any food today yet, have we?
No,
I'm pretty hungry.
We started the day with an Irish coffee, and I thought that meant it was going to have Baileys in it. But it was just pure brandy. Oh my gosh, it was tough to drink, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, started my day off with brandy and coffee, then an apple juice, and now a Coke, so I'm ready for my food.
Because our food's come out and it looks absolutely unreal. We've got lovely pizza here with local meats on, pepperoni, olives, and we've got a beef truffle pasta.
It smells beautiful.
Smells so good. Our lovely waitress has actually just finished shift. She said, I'll bring your food over and then I'm going home. So fair play to her. Right, let's tuck in.
That is beautiful.
Alright, let me try it. I will, I'll try it now. Try it now live on camera.
Fresh pasta as well. Homemade.
Oh wow.
This is the best pasta I've had in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a bold statement.
That is.
Yeah, it tastes incredible. You can tell, like it says, you can tell straight away it's fresh pasta. Yeah, that's absolutely beautiful, honestly. That is up there, one of the best pastas I've had by far. So good. Rachun Molim. Yeah, it's been a nice chilling day, isn't it, so far today? Definitely.
What it should be like.
Yeah, but that meal was lovely, wasn't it? Really good.
I would come back just to eat that pasta again.
Right guys, we are sat back at Eva Ice Cream and Gelato. I've gone for a banana split. It's really nice. The Kit's gone for a pistachio ice cream, haven't you, Kit?
The best.
Yeah, we've sat here, lovely view. Right on the front. It was due to be cloudy all day, but now it's sunshine, isn't it?
It's meant to be high as 17 today. When I checked when we woke up this morning.
Yeah.
I wonder what it is now, because it definitely feels warmer than that. Don't you think?
Yeah, it does.
Actually,
It's 17, probably because it's sunny. You have a nice time, Kit?
this is my idea. Very nice.
So me and Kit have both been laughing for about 5 minutes of the Mickey Mouse ice cream. Check this out. This looks funny, doesn't it?
Looks nothing like Mickey Mouse.
They've got a really good choice here of ice creams. This banana split's really nice. They've got banana split, they've got Kinder, they've got a Grand Biscotto, a biscuit one, amaretto, Mickey Mouse, fruit salad, fruit ice cream and fruit. So yeah, this is definitely the place to be if you want a good ice cream here in Zadar. So get down to Evas Gelateria and ice cream. I just want to show you the absolute size of this cruise ship. Massive. You can see all the lifeboats on the side. We're now just making our way to one of the nice bars on the front. We were sat by the sea organ, just chilling out. I got this beer. I don't think I'll get one ever again. and Max Singer. Yeah, I'm never going to get one of these ever again. It's absolutely disgusting. Probably the worst beer I've ever had. And that's a very bold statement. I need to get a Kolovare or a Jusko or a Vukovar, which is my new favourite Croatian beer, to get rid of the taste. Anyway, we were planning on going to Plitvice Lakes tomorrow, but we've decided we're not going to do that now because we asked for the tour, and the tour's €70 each, which I think is very steep.
Which is more than the flights we paid to get here for the two of us.
Yeah, it's more than we paid to get here from the UK. But yeah, we decided to go one of the nearby islands instead because we've looked, there's lovely beaches, there's lots to see and do there, so change of plan. But I'm really looking forward to it, yeah.
Yeah, more excited to go there because I just know that it'll be busy there tomorrow. I know the lady said it wouldn't be, but it's the weekend, she's lying to us. She's not going to say yeah, it's going to be pretty busy. And I don't like it when places are too crowded or busy,
No.
so...
We don't really like touristy places, do we? So we're going to go tomorrow to one of the small local Croatian islands, and you'll see that in tomorrow's video. We're now making our way
downtown, walking
to a bar, so we'll see when we get there. Hello! We are just now sat in this lovely bar and cafe. Really nice views of the port and the old town and the Zadar city walls just across. Nice spot, isn't it, Kit?
It is. And they've got the doors open. Windows? Doors? Whatever they are.
The bifold doors.
Yeah, them. So it's like we're outside, but we haven't got the wind.
I've got a Aperol Spritz and Kit's got a Malibu Coke.
Yummy.
Not just a Coke today.
Not just a show.
JMt&x.